Why Sung Jin-Woo is him.
How did the weakest hunter become the Shadow Monarch? Sung Jin-Woo started as an E rank, barely surviving raids, mocked, ignored, left behind. But then, he was chosen by the system, a power that let him grow without limits. It wasn't just his strength, it was his loyalty, his drive, his choice to protect, even when he could dominate. He didn't just become powerful, he became unstoppable. Sung Jin-Woo is him. Now it's your turn. Who's your favorite anime character? Comment below and let's settle it.